Hey everybody, I'm Glenn.
I'm Xander.
And together we are Fun King 3D, and it's time for Mailbag Monday. Alright, so this week we have 3 packages. No letters, just packages. So we're gonna slide some of this stuff around and out of the way. These are in no particular order. I like this one because it says "Happy Birthday" on it, and this is from RobbyMaq. And I have a good idea what's in here, but you just never know.
I don't. You always know what these things are. And
well, we talked about this on the live stream.
Did. Oh, okay.
What do you suppose is in here?
On the black PETG.
If it's a severed head, I'm going to be very upset.
Why would it be?
It's a line from a movie, and I don't even remember what movie that was from.
You're a very odd person.
What's up, Buttercups? Well, it actually says, "Dear Glenn and Xander."
But your name is...
But, yeah, that's not really... It must be a different Glenn, because mine has 2 N's in it. What's up, Buttercups? Here is the PETG you were wanting. Glad I could help you out. You have no idea how awesome this is, RobbyMaq. I could not find any anywhere, so I hope Xander is enjoying his gaming dollars. Hopefully $5 wasn't too much. Well, you know, it's funny that you should mention that, Robbie, because when I give Xander extra gaming dollars, and I'm pretty sure I did, yeah, I sent you the photo of me handing him the 5 gaming dollars, and then he doesn't want to do his chores because he has all this extra gaming money.
Chores. Oh my.
So anyway, I figured he deserved a little something extra in return for all his hard work over the past year. I agree. Mm-hmm. I agree wholeheartedly. Yeah. So I've included a couple of prints that don't really mean anything, but they are yellow. That's cool. It seems, I thought you were going to say that didn't really mean anything to you. I was like, oh, you're just sending us your junk you don't like anymore, huh? It seems you are curious about various yellow colors. Absolutely. So I figured I would send these along in case either of them strike your fancy. The dungeon tile is Foxmart PLA yellow. It's a bit lemony.
I don't want any spoils.
Oh, you want to just find out what's in there?
Okay. Yeah.
I could just tell you. It's...
No, please don't.
Okay.
I don't like spoil.
Nobody's ever sent us a dungeon tile before. This is our first dungeon tile.
What is a dungeon tile?
It's for role-playing games.
Oh, well, that's why.
Nillabean used to do those.
Oh, yeah. What is this?
Well, if you'd have let me finish reading the letter, you'd have known what that was.
But I'm looking through... Okay.
The other print is a jig I made for a buddy who does laser engraving. I almost said laser engraving. And it was printed in Toner Plastics Bumblebee Yellow. It's a bit more sunflowery. So we have lemony and sunflowery. So, and you know, kind of always as the test, I compare it against the Hatchbox just so that we can kind of see. And that is definitely a brighter yellow. I can see where the lemony comes from. And the other one is a pretty close match to the Hatchbox. Let's bring down...
Wow. I'll bring in the next one.
It's funny to use this as the test because this one, the beauty is on this side, but we're going to turn around and compare it to the back side of this. And that one, the jig is a little bit more orange.
So, what is on today's paper?
And the dungeon tile is definitely a little bit brighter yellow. So that is very cool. Thank you, RobbyMaq, for that, because that does give me other yellow options.
He also sent us coupons.
He says, "Happy birthday, guys, and make sure you ground Xander for not doing his chores."
What? He didn't say that.
Oh yeah, it says it right there in the letter.
Show me.
It says, "Don't let Xander read this."
But let me see. We have coupons.
All right.
Okay. I will.
Go ahead. Get to it. I'm going to have to speed you up like a chipmunk again.
I'm going to do it on the...
While you're doing that, I'm gonna punch these up. See if I can get that to focus. I really hate this autofocus. The detail in this RobbyMaq is very, very, very cool. You should let me know. Let me know what you printed this on, and also what the bed surface was. I like the texture on the bottom of that.
He has saved us.
Yeah, very nice, very nice. And that is one glorious roll.
Ah.
This is ABS. Nah, I'm just kidding. It's PETG.
I was about to say, it's PETG.
I appreciate this so much. If I would have had to switch, I mean, it was only like, I don't know, 5 or 6 pieces that I had already printed before I ran out. But I would have had to print all 5 or 6 of those pieces all over again. And I was told to get ESUN PETG, but I can't say that I'm really excited about it yet. So I may have to just dial it in some more. And again, thank you so much. You have no idea what that means to me. And we're absolutely excited to have you as part of the Royal Court. All right, this box showed up. We picked it up at the post office this week. We normally go on Fridays. We picked this one up on a Thursday, just because we were in the area. I like to jazz it up once in a while. Throw the post office people off their game. It is this is from Mike C, and if this is who I think it is, it's Red Lights. Yes, Red Light 34, absolutely. Hey Glenn, this isn't even to you. You get nothing to do with this. Go ahead, take it out of there.
Yeah.
So I can get rid of the box. Hey Glenn, I just wanted you to have a roll of this since you missed out on all the deal. Since you missed out on the deal, and I know you like yellow, so I hope you guys can enjoy it. Mike, Red Light 34. That's awesome. Thank you, Mike, so much. I'm assuming this was the one that came out as like a really stunning deal that I didn't even know about, and then it was all sold out before I even heard about it. I do like some yellow filament, and we have tons of it. I can't tell. I'm going to kind of compare it to, it's a little more orange than that one, and almost spot on to this one. So that is awesome.
Pretty nice yellow.
Yeah, it is. I like it. I can't wait to run that through the prints. Very cool. Nice vacuum packing. Non-resealable bag, but the price was right both to us and to Mike himself. So thank you, brother, so much for that. It is greatly appreciated. This is a filament kind of day.
Mm-hmm.
Because I know what's in that box.
I bet there's filament in it.
I know what's in that box.
Yeah, I know you know what's in
As
that
you guys
box.
can see,
I know what's in this box too.
This is an amazing Amazon box.
That
But
has Twitch Prime on it.
well, that's because they own Twitch. But the sender of this package is none other than AIO Robotics themselves.
Are you ready? It's a box.
FunKing has always had a good relationship with AIO since very early on, and I'm sure you guys, anybody that's watched our videos knows that. AIO has recently released some new colors and even some new materials. And they reached out and asked if there was anything that we wanted to try, and I said that I would love to try the gold, the metal gold, which is this one here, because I was looking for a good gold for the FunKing crown. Now, we've been doing this a year, and I've yet to print like a standalone FunKing.
Oh, yeah.
I've only printed the stuff like the fan shrouds and stuff. We don't have a FunKing statue. I've modeled one, but I've never printed it. And so I've been looking for the colors. And of course, this camera is not going to do it any justice. Let me see if I can get a little bit of a manual focus on this.
I'll start opening the other ones.
Let's take that out of autofocus. Let's see if I can.
That's nice.
There we go. That's pretty good. So you can see that. You can see that gold tone. It's a little coppery, but
I think this fixed it.
Well, then my contact at AIO said, "Hey, how about if I send you the silk gold as well?" And I'll tell you right now, this camera isn't doing it any justice either. But this is a beautiful gold. This is a beautiful gold.
I think we've found the one.
Well, we're definitely going to find out when we print the crown. What? Oh, it's a roll of red. Why would we need a roll of red?
But it's PETG?
That is PETG. AIO Robotics has released. They had a PETG in the past. It was before I came along, so I never got to try it. But this is actually their red PETG. Now, maybe it's on the label underneath this sticker, because I don't see anywhere that it says PETG on here. So, and I just so happen to have a roll of their red PLA still laying here.
This one's a little darker.
It is a little darker in shade. This is the PETG and this is the PLA. You can see that this is a little brighter of a red, but yeah, I can't wait to try it, because like I said earlier, I am a big fan of PETG, and this is exciting. This is very exciting, because as fans of AIO, I got word that they were adding colors, and I got a little afraid that they were going to get rid of some of the old colors, because I love their9bright green. And I was...
You would never do that.
No, I was told that they are not. They are not getting rid of any colors. They just added 2. And then all of a sudden there was a metal gold, a metal silver, a metal bronze, the silk gold, and then there's the PETG in red, blue, white, and black currently.
I did not know about the silk gold. All I knew about was the normal gold, the silver, and the copper.
The bronze.
The bronze, whatever. Oh, same thing. But... just a little different color.
Just a little different shade.
I had no idea that silk gold was a thing, and like as soon as
yeah, let me give a side by side to that.
Like you see it here.
So that's the regular gold, and that's the silk gold.
Like you see it here, and it's like, oh, it's just like a normal tan or something.
That's just a printed. That's just a printed color.
And you take it out, and it's like, oh.
It shines.
Yeah.
So that's fantastic. So AIO, thank you so much. Just so you guys know, I'm intentionally not releasing the name of my contact because I don't want everybody to go looking for them. But absolutely, if you have not tried AIO Filament, you need to. There is a link in the description below to order some AIO through one of our affiliate links at Amazon. If you choose not to do that way, it doesn't matter. Just get yourself some AIO and give it a try. And if you haven't, check out aiorobotics.com/rewards. That's it. That's the end of Mailbag Monday for this week. Thanks for tuning in. We have a lot of filaments that we need to get to printing and trying out. And a huge thank you to all of you who have sent stuff this week, who have sent things in the past, and who are going to send things in the future. If you'd like to send us anything, our P.O. Box address is in the description below. And that address is also good if you'd like one of the Fun King stickers. Just go ahead and send us a self-addressed stamped envelope. That's the easiest way so that I don't forget. And we'll get a sticker out to you. And until next time, as always, print on.